Sunshine, sea breeze, and a whole lot of sparkle. This is Benidorm, like you've never seen it before. I'm hitting the streets in style, pink hair and all, because mobility can be bold, bright, and totally fabulous. Welcome to my world. Let's ride.
Good evening, guys. It's a beautiful sunny evening. It's Friday the 15th of August. It's been a beautiful hot day again, and the weekend is set to be hotter. So I'm just taking the advantage of the cooler evening air to get out and do a few videos. So we're going to take a little ride down Avenida Mediterráneo. So, the heart of Benidorm. Some lovely shops, bars if you want to sit and chill and cool off in this incredible summer heat. I think everybody's had the same idea possibly, and everybody's come out to cool off. We got Stromboli there. Remember we had a Too Good To Go bag there. It's really good value. If you fancy an ice cream, I'd recommend. Crazy busy. Lots of people out doing what the Spanish call carousing, which in simple terms just means walking, strolling. It's a popular Spanish pastime. Lovely shop, always has an amazing window display. Better. One thing now though that seems to be the norm now summertime's here is there used to be some laws on walking around shirtless, women just strolling around in bikinis. You couldn't go into shops, supermarkets, you'd have to cover up. But now that the weather's got hot, it just all seems to have been abandoned. And people can strut round basically in whatever they wish. So if you want to go shopping in your bikini, thong disappearing up the derriere area, then yeah, it's allowed. Nobody's going to bother you. And you can quite simply get away with it, guys. Sorry guys, the gimbal is playing up. So I'm going to have to work extra hard cutting out all the bits where the gimbal has died on me. don't know why it's doing it. There's plenty of charge in the gimbal. There's no reason for it to be doing it. Hoping that my gimbal isn't on its way out. Because I can't keep affording more and more equipment. Michael, better known as Benidorm Mad Mike, he's been having a few issues with his gimbal as well, being wobbly and unstable. Seems to be an issue with this brand. I don't think I will be purchasing another one of these, but unfortunately I don't think that the heat has been helping. With things, so usual sound of sirens. Looks like there's a fire somewhere. Idiot kids running up and down the road. Irish travellers there. So, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit the like, hit the share button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You'll be surprised how many people watch the videos but aren't actually subscribed to the channel. And I'll end the video here.